guys, it's Raj here, and today we have a brand new Vision Pro accessory. So this right here is going to be the Apple Vision Pro dual knit band. It's been a while since I've covered Vision Pro, but as far as it actually goes, it's a wonderful device. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this guy up, shall we? One of the newest additions of accessories from Apple. I did get a chance to try this at the Apple Store, actually not too long ago. So it's honestly one of the best bands that I have ever tried. And just to kind of show you guys what's around the back here, I have it in the medium size and along with all of its other serial information. It's interesting how a band like this has a serial number. Okay, we get the nice, of course, minimal packaging. Similar style to the Apple Watch, the nice origami. Ooh, and we actually get a little card here as well. Get some documentation. It's pretty cool. And yeah, this is the band right here. Man, this looks amazing. But I'm going to fit this onto my Vision Pro and I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my Vision Pro right here. Initially I have had this Belkin top strap along with the original solo knit band that this guy came with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and detach this solo knit band. Been using it since day one. And then we will also detach this Belkin top strap as well, which kind of just slides onto the arms like so. I'll have to disconnect Vision Pro from power in order to have this come off. Okay, and then just like that, that is both of those off. Now we can go ahead and fit this onto Vision Pro. That nice satisfying peel from the crown. And of course we have the little guys here. The other nice thing about this band as well is that in the back of it, Apple uses tungsten to actually counterbalance the headset. So that way it's not going to feel like you have an immense amount of pressure on your head. So Apple has kind of found a way to make Vision Pro more comfortable. And the great thing is they did announce the M5 version, but this band is compatible with both the M5 and the M2, which is honestly a welcome thing. It's great that it's backwards compatible. Okay, and then now we have the new band, so let's go ahead and put it on the headset. So kind of same setup here where it just snaps in place with these little orange tabs on the inside. It's a nice little tab system. Okay, we've got one side in. Let's get the other side in. Beautiful. And then we will reconnect the battery. Okay, and then in terms of adjustments, this is how this band works. So whenever it's in this configuration right here with the crown pressed in, that is what's tightening the back. Whenever you open it like this, then it tightens the top. So it has like a nice dual way tightening structure, which is pretty nice, honestly. It's really a marvel of engineering. But anyways, that's going to do it for this short little unboxing. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.